So today is day 3 of the Construction Cares DIY workshop here at Manchester College. So behind me is a group of care experienced young people who have completed 2 previous days of the workshop. The workshops are designed to give young people who are going to be moving into their own place skills to complete simple DIY tasks such as fitting shelves, unblocking sinks, toilets, rewiring plugs, that kind of thing.
I recently got my own flat. I'm most close to learn some more DIY skills, a bit of joinery, putting up TV brackets. Definitely recommend it. You learn lots of new skills. That definitely helps when you're moving into your own flat.
Well, I've come to learn new skills because she's moving in, and I just think it's what people should be taught when they get the first property, because you don't get taught these things really.
So these workshops are not going to be standalone. We're teaching the young people the skills in construction, but it's giving them an idea that they can then move into construction. There is a skills gap, particularly in trades like joinery and plumbing, that young people can fill. So this is a great way of giving them the first taster of that, and hopefully then we can take them on that journey through site visits, work experience and perhaps onto apprenticeships. This is a great initiative. It's teaching young people some really valuable life skills, and we're looking forward to doing more and more of these throughout the regions in the coming months.